Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine, my dear. Students, today I will discuss grouping. This is the part of CSS and I will explain how you can have the grouping, yes, in your HTML document. For that, first of all, I have to go to Notepad. I will use HTML, then the head, and then the title. Title is working on group slash title. Now, here you have to use a style type equal to text slash CSS. Now, student, what is grouping? Group means what? Not an individual one, more than one. So how I will, like I'm having, suppose I have the three tags, okay? I have my paragraph, I have my, wait, one by one I will show you. I have my paragraph, I have my unordered list, UL tag, I have my H1 tag. These three tags, okay? Now, I'm going to apply these three effects. But first of all, you have to know. Grouping says what? You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, or more than. Yes, more than one tag, and you can format these all tags in a single go. How? See. Just now you can see, my dear, I have used how many tags? 3. As this one you already done in the internal one. But this time I want P, UL and H1 should be together. What? It should be together. So what I will do in this case, instead of writing this all, I will use P, then comma, H1, comma, unordered list. And now I'm going to define something that is text align colon center. Next one, I want background dash color dash blue. Background dash color colon blue. I want one more color that should be, if background blue, then you cannot see, my dear. I will use yellow. And the foreground as green. Only I am going to use the three properties. And these three properties must be applicable on three different tags. Paragraph also, first label of heading also, and the unordered list also. Now, after doing this, I will use slash style style and then slash head. Okay, now I have to work with the body. Now, how you write the HTML document? Same way you write. First one is the paragraph. I will use paragraph tag and I will write hello. Suppose hello I've used. Next one, I am going to use H1 tag. It is my first label of heading slash H1. Okay. And next one is order list. Okay. UL type equal to disk. My item is, first item is animals. Next one item is birds. And the last item is yes. And the last item is fruits. Okay. And here slash li, here also slash li, and here also slash li. Okay. And then slash ul, and then slash body, and then slash html. Now see, what is the benefit of grouping? Anyone said me, sir, I have my 4 tags, and whatever you are applying on the first tag, sir, I want to apply on second, third, and fourth tags also. At that time, grouping will help you. You see, first one is my paragraph. Hello. This is my first topic. Next one is, it is my first label of heading, suppose. And the last one is what? Disk. First one is animal. Next one is birds. And the last one is fruits. Now, see, my dear, these all will have the same effect. What? It will be aligned at the center also. It will have the background color yellow also, and it will have the foreground green also. Just let me save this file and I will show you. File, save as. I want to give this one as group.html. I have saved, and now I am going to open. Now see, my dear, is there any changing? You see, first one is my paragraph. My paragraph is what? It is my, no, hello. Hello is the first. You see, is it showing a line at center? Yes. It is having background color yellow? Yes, it is yellow. And the last one is the foreground color, that is color is green. This also green. Now come to the next one. That is my heading one. Heading is what? It is my first level of heading. It is also already writing. But whether it is at the center, yes. It is having background color yellow, yes. It is having the foreground color green, yes. Now the last one is what? My list. Yes, and what these items should have? Disk. It is already showing disk. I did one mistake, my dear. That's why the third list it is not saying. I have given slash I. It should not be slash I. It should be not be slash li. Save, reload it. Now the third one has come because the third one I have used slash li. That's why it was not coming. Now see, it is having how many items? 3 items. 1, 2, 3. And what is my type? Disk. It is already showing. Now come here, whether it is at the center, Yes, it is at the center. Whether the background color is yellow, yes. Foreground color is what? Green. Green, yes. So would you understood? Yes, sir, from this topic that we can have the same property and value to different tags using grouping. I already discussed individual tag can also have the property, individual property and value. You know, you are remembering internal one I discussed. So I hope this topic has helped you a lot, my dear. But then also I am going to just have some changing in the property and value so that you can understand whether it is will be applicable on these property value or not. Now, some changing I'm going to do it. This time I'm not going to apply this on. I'm going to have some other thing. Now, this time I'm going to have font size. Font size 20 px. Okay. Next one, bold. Font weight. And then bold. Next one, I want font style. So I will use font as family Arial. Okay. I want some more. It should be lowercase. Then I will use text. Let me shift to next slide. Text dash transform uppercase, suppose uppercase, and one more last that I want. I've done bold or yeah, underline one. So I will use text dash direction underline. Okay, semicolon. Let me have this one in next line so that you can understand it. Okay. Now, students, there one problem can exist because heading it has its own yes size, its own yes formatting effects like bold. So I'm not going to use a heading. Instead of that, I'm going to apply the other tag. What the other tag? ON. Okay. Now this I'm going to remove it. And here I'm going to apply OL tag. OL type equal to A start equal to 3. Now items, computer book, maths book, only these two, and then slash OL. Now I'm going to save this one. Now see whether all the formatting effects will be applicable or not. Now, just to watch it, my dear. What the property and value I have taken? Size 20. This is 20 also. This one is also 20. This one is also 20. Now, font weight is what? Wait. Spelling of weight. WEIGST. Save. And now, see, font weight is what? Bold. You see, this one is bold. This one is also bold. And the last one also bold. Now, next one is what? Font family Arial. You can see This one is also Arial, this one is also Arial, and this one is also Arial. And the last one, that is my text transform uppercase. You see, this one is also in uppercase, this one is also in uppercase, and the last one. But here you can see, I have used this one as the which case? This one I have written this one as a sentence case. Just you can see, this one I have written also sentence case, in which first letter of the sentence is capital and rest all are small. But as I use this property and value, yes, my text has already been converted into uppercase. Just now you can watch it. I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you, my dear.